Ever wondered how a shoe-crazy spendthrift became a budgeting boss? Well, belt up, because this is a tale of transformation that's more gripping than a Hollywood blockbuster. Picture this. I was once a self-proclaimed shopaholic, with a weakness for shoes that would put Carrie Bradshaw to shame. My spending was as reckless as a bull in a china shop, and my bank account, well, let's just say, it was often in the red. But then, a financial wake-up call hit me like a ton of bricks. I realized that my love for shoes was costing me more than just money. It was costing me my peace of mind, my financial stability, and my future. It was time for a change. It was time to stop being a spendthrift and start being a savings ninja. So, how did I do it? Well, it wasn't an overnight transformation. It took time, patience, and a whole lot of self-discipline. But most importantly, it took a shift in mindset. I had to redefine my relationship with money and understand the true value of a dollar. I had to learn that instant gratification is fleeting, but financial security is forever. That's when I discovered the concept of lazy wins. It's all about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. It's about simplifying your finances, automating your savings, and finding sneaky ways to save without feeling deprived. It's about achieving financial bliss without the stress and the spreadsheets. And guess what? It worked. Slowly but surely, I transformed from a reckless spender to a responsible saver. I traded my shoe obsession for a savings obsession, and let me tell you, the high of seeing your bank account grow is way better than the high of a new pair of heels. So, from a shoe hoarder, I became a savings ninja. And you can too. It's not about giving up what you love. It's about finding a balance and making smarter choices. It's about embracing the lazy win and finding your own path to financial freedom. And trust me, if I can do it, anyone can. Crunching numbers isn't your thing? No problem. You don't need to be a math whiz or a spreadsheet guru to keep your finances in check. We're living in the digital age, my friends, and that means we've got a treasure trove of tools at our fingertips to make money management a breeze. Let's talk about budgeting. Yes, the dreaded B word. But what if I told you there are apps out there that take the stress out of budgeting? Apps like Mint and Pocket Guard automate the process, tracking your spending and setting saving goals for you. Just plug in your financial information and these apps become your personal finance gurus, showing you where your money's going and how you can save more. But what about investing? That's got to be complicated, right? Wrong. Investing can be as simple as downloading an app. Acorns, for example, rounds up your spare change from everyday purchases and invests it for you. It's like a digital piggy bank that grows with time. And then there's Betterment, a robo-advisor that automates your investments based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. It's like having a personal Wall Street broker minus the exorbitant fees and the sharp suits. And let's not forget about bill tracking. Ever been hit with a late fee because you forgot to pay a bill? Yeah, me too. But with apps like Prism, you can say goodbye to missed payments. It gathers all your bills in one place and sends you reminders when it's time to pay up. It's like having a personal secretary to handle your bills. So you see, managing your finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools, you can automate your spending tracking, savings goals, and investments. It's all about working smarter, not harder. Money management is no rocket science when you've got the right tools. So why not give these apps a try? They might just be the genie lamp that leads you to your financial freedom. And the best part? You get to do it all while lounging in your PJs, sipping on a cup of coffee. Now that's what I call smart laziness. Ready to become a savings detective? Well, grab your magnifying glass and your deerstalker hat because we're about to go on a savings spree. Let's dive into some sneaky savings hacks that can help you save money on your everyday expenses. First off, let's talk about discount codes. They're everywhere. From your favorite online stores to local restaurants, there's likely a code out there waiting to be used. But you might ask, where do you find these elusive codes? Well, there are many websites and apps dedicated to hunting down and sharing these codes, so you don't have to do the legwork. Just remember to always check for a code before hitting that purchase button. Next up, cashback apps. These are a gold mine for savings. They work by giving you a percentage of your purchase back, either as cash or points that can be redeemed for rewards. There are a ton of these apps out there, so do your research and find the one that works best for you. And remember, these apps work best when you're buying things you'd normally purchase. Don't get caught up in buying stuff just for the cash back. Now let's talk about negotiation. Yes, you heard that right. Negotiation isn't just for car dealerships. You can negotiate your bills, your subscriptions, even your insurance rates. The key here is to be polite, persistent, and prepared. Know what you're willing to pay, have a clear reason why you believe a reduction is fair, and don't be afraid to walk away if you're not getting what you want. So there you have it. 3 sneaky savings hacks that can help you keep more money in your pocket. Remember, these aren't just one-time tricks. They're habits you can incorporate into your everyday life. Keep your eyes peeled for discount codes, make the most of cashback apps, and don't be shy about negotiating. With these hacks, every day is a savings day. Now go forth and save, my fellow money ninjas. Your bank account will thank you. Imagine making money while binge-watching your favorite show. Now, doesn't that sound like a dream come true? Well, with passive income, it can be your reality. Passive income is the holy grail of money-making. It's money that you earn without having to actively work for it. Sounds pretty good, right? It's like having a money tree in your backyard that keeps dropping cash. And the best part, there are plenty of ways to generate passive income that require minimal effort. Let's explore some of these ideas. First up, consider renting out a spare room in your house. With platforms like Airbnb, you can easily turn that extra space into a money-making machine. The beauty of this method is that once you've set up your listing, the money can roll in with little to no work on your part. Next, think about investing in dividend stocks. These are stocks that pay out a portion of the company's profits to its shareholders. Once you've bought the stocks, you don't have to do anything else to earn the dividends. It's like having your money work for you while you sleep. How's that for lazy winning? Lastly, let's talk about starting a YouTube channel. Now, this one might require a bit more effort up front, but once you've got it going, it can be a great source of passive income. You can earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, or even selling your own products or services. But remember, the key with any passive income stream is patience. These things might not make you rich overnight, but over time they can significantly boost your income without you having to trade your time for money. Passive income is truly the embodiment of the lazy money win. It's about working smart instead of working hard. It's about letting your money do the heavy lifting so that you can sit back, relax, and watch your bank account grow. Lazy or not, who doesn't like some extra cash? Passive income is your ticket to earning more while doing less. So why not give it a shot? After all, the lazy way is the smart way when it comes to making money. No, we're not just talking tactics here. Because behind every successful lazy money ninja is a shift in mindset. This isn't just about overcoming spending temptations or finding the next big shortcut. It's about boosting your financial confidence and reframing the way you interact with money. Think about this. Do you see money as a constant source of stress, or do you see it as a tool that can provide freedom and opportunities? The lazy mindset shift means choosing the latter. It's about embracing the concept of less is more. It's about understanding that being smart with your money doesn't mean you have to be constantly stressed or busy. And yes, it's about making money management fun. Turn it into a game, set goals, track your progress, and celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Remember, being lazy with your money is about being smart, not careless. So, ready to conquer your money woes the easy way? It's time to put these lazy wins into action. Start by automating your finances, uncovering sneaky savings hacks, and exploring passive income ideas. Remember, the secret sauce is all in the mindset shift. Now, don't keep all this financial wizardry to yourself. Share this video with your friends who could use a little lazy magic in their financial lives. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest tips and tricks. In the comments below, I want to hear your biggest takeaway from this video. What's your lazy money hack? Your input could help someone else on their journey to financial freedom. Remember, achieving financial bliss doesn't have to be hard work. With the right strategies, you can be both lazy and financially awesome. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay lazy and financially awesome.